कोमुंदादी साल्वार करूंक गोंयच्या गांवकारी म्हणून गट मुखार सरला. कोमुनिदाद सुवातींतल्या बेकायदेशीर घरांक साल्वार करूंक विधानसभेंत बील हाडचें न्ही म्हणून गोंयच्या गांवकारीन मुख्यमंत्री आनी राज्यपालांक बरयलां. कोमुनिदादीच्या सुवातीचेर कितलीं बेकायदेशीर बांदकामां आसात ताची म्हायती गोंयच्या गांवकारी मागतात.
of गोंयचे गांवकारी. Now towards this we have placed mail to His Excellency Honorable Chief Minister of Goa as well as to Honorable Ministry of Revenue of Goa as well as to His Excellency Honorable Governor of Goa. The base contents is that it had appeared in the newspaper yesterday, 5th July 2024, that no bill to regularize on Communidades land in this upcoming monsoon assembly. We humbly bring to light that it's not only this upcoming monsoon assembly, but at no any assembly should it be, and it should not be regularized, illegal structures on Communidades land. And we await this to be announced on the upcoming assembly.